Damn. I didn't think this was that big. Well, I knew this was gonna be big. Damn. Keep that right there. Now the big boy. Damn, I've been waiting for this for like a year. Yo! Woo! BBK ceramic headers going on Miranda. I'm super excited. If everything goes smooth, I should go get them installed in a little bit. So I've been waiting for this for a long time. Kind of feels unreal. I think I'm dreaming right now. Last startup. Here we go. On our way to go install these headers. Hopefully everything goes smooth. I'm gonna meet up with a homie. He came up to me a couple months ago asking me if I ever needed anything done to my car to hit him up. I was like, well, I'm thinking about getting headers. And he was like, yo, I know how to install headers on your car. So after I got him, I hit him up. Now I'm on my way to meet up with him. And we're gonna give it a shot. I'm feeling pretty nervous, but I think everything's gonna go okay. And hopefully in a couple of hours, that should be loud as hell. Now the last downshifts. Bro, I'm so excited, dude.
Nice.
Hell yeah, man, I'm excited.
I heard all about it. You've been wanting to do it.
I've been wanting to do it for a long time. I'm trying to take this all in, man, because I don't know. I'm geeking. I'm excited. I don't know. We'll see how it sounds like, man.
Pull it.
Nope.
Play with it, man. It's like your girl. Yeah, you gotta spit on it.
I'll take those out of there. So this is the old X pipe right here. Crazy that I got this right when I bought the car. Well, not right away, but like I think the next month after I got this one. I got this UPRX pipe.
You just gotta disconnect the electrical.
You know it's off, man. Hey, but this right here is gonna oh my god. I had to get this because obviously that was not gonna fit that.
Today Monday?
Yeah, today's Monday.
It's pretty bad this week. It's pretty bad when you don't know the days.
Yeah. There's one on there.
Yeah.
Still got one more. It's getting dark. I got a little pizza, so.
Car was covered in blue tape.
Smart move.
Yeah.
I didn't even do that when I came here. I was like, fuck it. I'm not gonna do that.
Well, the car was brand new, so
Oh yeah.
I didn't feel like, brand new right out the gate. Ruined.
Getting all the bugs and
Getting all
everything?
the bugs, rock chips and shit. So I did the whole front bumper, the hood, the fenders, behind the wheels.
Oh, you did it, the whole thing.
The whole car, almost the whole car.
Pull your ass out like you did.
like to get an extra different bolt, like a different size. Still, and just can't physically get it in there.
That's touching right there.
Almost there. This is it. This is it. After this, put the motor mount back on, blast all the bolts, put the K member back in.
Starter.
Do the starter, yeah.
X-pipe.
And then I'll do the starter now. After I blast this on.
The X-pipe should be easy, huh?
Yeah, the X-pipe, fucking 2 seconds, bro.
You can do the starter before putting the K member back up?
Yeah.
Damn,
Connect everything. The only thing that's left is just this shit backwards. You know, back. Coming down.
Come down. Yo hump. Yo hump. This thing is like floating.
Okay, you gotta cinch the wheels now.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of yellow, but this shit is
Thanks, man.
what is like this called?
Yellow blaze.
Yellow blaze.
It's not like a super bright yellow, but like,
It's perfect.
yeah,
Like, gold, kind of looks gold.
yeah.
Rick, go grab the other jack.
What's wrong?
You can't get this one out.
Yup. Oh man.
That's why I paid to have 2 jacks. Man.
My bad, bro.
No, that's your
My car's a mess.
No big deal. No big deal, man.
Took a little while, but I think it's good. I gotta clean my intake. That thing is dirty.
Soap and water.
Oh, I got the clean. Actually, I left.
Cleaning kit.
I left it in Minnesota.
And just put like a
It's
little.
dirty, man. Damn.
Yeah.
Why? What did you do to yours?
He had lock lugs, like just one lug that has a lock on each wheel.
Yep.
And he stripped them all.
Like the first day I met him, he was like, "Yo, I got springs for you. I can put them on $100.
Yeah.
The springs and the install $100."
I bought springs for my car, for my 14. I had Ford K springs on it, and then I swapped them out to H&R Super Sports.
Yeah.
And then I just sold the K springs to him. And install.
You still got them on right now?
Yeah. Yeah.
I kind of wish I would have ordered some extras.
It's okay. It happens, man. It happens. Don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up. It happens.
Yeah. There she is. Well, bro, thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. No problem. Sorry about that.
Bro,
man.
it's
We
all,
tried
it's
our
all
best.
good, dude. Like,
We
thank
tried
you,
our
though.
best. Yeah. All the intake's turned on. All the bolts turned on. Please be careful on the roads, man.
I will, man. I'm gonna go super slow.
Good? Ready?
Go for it. Yo, that is stupid.
Bro, I can't hear shit right now.